This camp is going on about the basics of AI, and it's showing lots of different methods, talking from the basics of linear regression to the first beginning neural networks to convolutional neural networks to stuff like ChatGPT, which are natural language processors.
AI Camp has been absolutely amazing. So we're learning every single day new things about computer vision and learning and processing of the networks that AI has. And it's actually really similar to how psychology is with our neurons in our brains. So we're learning all about how it thinks and how it works.
They're explaining everything to us. If we have any questions, we can ask them. We're doing it all on a computer as well. Having a person there that's experienced and they're always there to help for you.
Inspirit AI, it's kind of like an AI boot camp for high school and middle school students, and they're being introduced to the fundamental AI concepts and guides so that they can build a socially impactful project together. So they're working with graduate students from Stanford and Harvard and MIT and colleges all over the country, and even from Canada as well. And it's a personalized learning experience in small groups where they get a lot of one-on-one help from the instructor.
AI Camp has been absolutely amazing. So we're learning every single day new things, way ahead of the curve compared to other schools.
I think it's the first year they offered it, and it's really fun. If there's an AI camp next year, I'm definitely gonna do it.
I'm glad the school offers them. I'm glad the opportunity came.